In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of Celia Keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard, and when you're ready, tapping on this icon at the top left corner. Now select Skins. Pick any of those by clicking on the best one for you, and last but not least, go back. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!